Hey guys, Johnny here from Chronic Health, the making of a high performance individual. I'm making this video a day after I turned 53, and my story is just very simple. When I was 48, I was losing my hair, getting all this gray hair, and I met someone who made me change my diet, and this is something that worked for me, and I went plant-based, and for the last year I've been doing raw plant-based, right? I'm not promoting, right, my diet, but I'm preaching about it. But no matter what you really eat, whether it's carnivore diet, frutarian, vegetarian, vegan, the problem with the food supply, where you, even if it's organic, you just don't get all the nutrients that you need. So I went on a spree of trying every single supplement on the market and meal replacements, and because I needed to balance myself out, right? And I finally found something that actually works for me. I mean, working with this company, trying their products for close to 4 or 5 months. I gave up all the rest of them for SuperFoods, right, where I get all my minerals and my vitamins and everything and that I need. And so I'm spending about maybe $10-12, maximum $15 a day, and it's just got me on a sweet spot where I can actually have improved my health, which is I did recently. That was about 3 months ago. I did a full blood panel, right? And I am actually amazing. It's just amazing the things that you can do if you take care of yourself. I'm awake at 4:15 in the morning, going to sleep at 9:30 at night, and I'm training every single day. Then and working and taking care of my kids and feeling great overall. My skin, I got my hair back. People ask me, you doing an implant? And I'm like, no, actually should change my diet. I'm not promoting my raw plant-based diet, but I'm preaching absolutely because it works for me. But mainly is everything is in the food supply. If it's just what we call food, it's just not food, right? So I'm gonna leave a link below for the company that I'm promoting, and these are the products that I'm actually consuming, right? So if I'm gonna promote something that I want to make sure that works, this works for me, check it out. It's all about being healthy, and what life is coming at you fast with AI, blockchains, crypto, nanotechnology, and World War III just around the corner. The only thing that we can really do is just stay healthy, be as healthy as possible, so we can last as much as we can possibly can, because we are moving fast, right? So link below, check it out. This is what it's working for me. This guy is 53 years old, doing backflips and jumping on the bar and doing muscle ups and playing basketball every day and running 4 or 5 miles almost every day. Pretty active. My sleeping is on point. I'm sleeping 7.5 hours. Just feeling great overall. All right, check it out. Later.